Well, now, an interesting story here. The Supreme Court has determined that spouses are not automatically entitled to a half share of matrimonial property in a case of divorce. The Apex Court noted that when parting, or rather when they're parting from each other, obviously they should leave the marriage with the property he or she acquired during the union, though a spouse may get more based on his or her contribution to the acquisition of the matrimonial wealth.
A five-judge bench of the top court, led by Deputy Chief Justice Philomena Mwilu, has held that each partner in marriage must prove his or her contribution to the family wealth to enable a court to determine the percentage available for distribution of the matrimonial property by either party in the event of a divorce. The court held that although Article 45 subsection 3 provides that parties to a marriage are entitled to equal rights at the time of the marriage and at the termination of the marriage, that does not mean a 50-50 division of property acquired. The judgment emanates from a 13-year-old divorce dispute between Joseph Ombogi Ogetoto and his ex-wife Martha Bosibori. The two, during their relationship, acquired their matrimonial home at Tasia Estate within Nairobi and constructed rental units on the property. Ogetoto moved to the Supreme Court after the Court of Appeal ordered that the house in which he lived with his wife for 18 years and the rental units be shared equally among them at the ratio of 50-50. The decision will now act as the guideline for distribution of matrimonial property between two parting spouses. In the same court, in a related matter, the judges of the Apex Court overturned the appellate court decision to award a woman half of the matrimonial property in a divorce suit. In the case, the Supreme Court avers that the presumption of marriage between Paul Ogari and Mary Nyambura, who cohabited from 1986 to the year 2011, did not exist. Consequently, they directed that the suit property be apportioned at the ratio of 70% to Ogari and 30% to Nyambura. The court concluded by noting that since there was a common intention of the parties at the time of purchasing the suit property, that gave rise to constructive trust between them, hence the decision. Finally, the Cabernet Court has sentenced Kasaka Sub-Location Chief Thomas Chesang to a 40-year jail term after he was convicted of defiling and impregnating a minor. In sentencing the 47-year-old administrator from Baringo North Sub-County to the term, Magistrate Catherine Atea said the sentence will act as a deterrence, adding that justice for the girl had been served. For Easy Friday, I'm Ben Troy Njue.